In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Galatea app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right Galatea app on your Android, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app and then tap on it to open. Once you have opened, go ahead and first log in with your Gmail account and then just search for Galatea. So I'll go ahead and search for Galatea by name, and I can see it is here. And make sure the spelling is correct. And as you can see, here is our app. First, go ahead and open it to see the details. And as you can see, make sure it is from Inkty niche. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 563,000 reviews. And the file size is averagely 103 MBs. And it has over 5 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that this is the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Galatea Books and Audio app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here to start using it. Or if you go to your apps, now you can see our Galatea app is available here. Now proceed, and this is the welcoming interface. Go ahead and sign up to create your account, or log in if you already have an account to start using it. So that's how you can get the right Galatea app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.